360 องศา What are you going to do after you finish high school?
I'm going to join a circus. I'm fascinated by circus life.
You're kidding?
No, serious. I'm taking a course in entertainment. They teach you all kind of stuff, acrobatic, how to perform tricks, how to be a clown.
That sounds interesting. Do you get a challenge to perform during the course?
Yeah, we entertain kids in hospital and places like that. Then no glitter pulling in, right? Then making people lunch.
I wish I knew what to do when I finish school.
Why don't you become a journalist? You have always been interested in writing and you work on the school newspaper.
I later help people and do something that makes a difference. In fact, I was reading an article recently about this volunteer doctor who travel to areas of conflict to help save lives.
You could also help people by writing articles in the past and making their problems now to the world.
Oh yes, that's true.